Welcome to another episode. In the last video you saw us starting everything for the Happijac installation, and now we're continuing with our process.
We're using a flathead number 12 3/4 inch screw because it's going to sit a little bit outside of the 3/4 inch wall.
So we removed the bench that holds the water tank for now, because the other walls that we're gonna create are gonna go here and here.
So the idea of our design is that we are going to create obviously the other wall for the Happijac. We've got our blocks here to know how high up our Happijac's gonna stand. We are creating the frame for the rails to sit on, and since we can drill directly into this wood that we've created that's attached to the frame of the bathroom, there's space between that and the tile. We're going to mount this like so and have some staggering spaced out pieces that are going to create a little
Design.
offset design.
To install this bed lift, it's very important to be accurate with every little thing. We need to find like a common point to see maybe if it's in line, I don't know. So believe me when I tell you that Aidan and I talk a lot when we are about to do something new for this build. It's a new day, and to continue working with the construction or the installation of our Happijac, we need to create the next wall where the Happijac is gonna be held. One of those walls is gonna be the one where the shower is. So now we're working in the next one. For that, what we wanna do is to make the frame of what's gonna be our wardrobe, and we're gonna have our clothing and drawers. So we think that way, you know, that piece of furniture is going to add stability to the Happijac, or to that part of the Happijac. So yeah, that's what we're going to do right now. Also, I wanted to show you, I hang this. Hopefully we'll get some visitors. Come on, birds! To create this dresser, first we cut all of our pieces and continue with a pocket hole marathon. Alright, so yesterday we put together what's gonna be our furniture, where we're gonna put our clothing. We're gonna attach this strip where we're gonna hook the wall that will go up and hold the Happijac right here. ¿Cómo te sientes para trabajar?
Let's go. Let's work. Let's get it done. Yeah, like right here.
Wait.
A little bit more. You don't want it to be before it.
No, I'm gonna make an arrow for it.
But the wall's not gonna be right in the middle of it.
Wait. Give me another piece. The music adds like to it. Adrenaline for this Happijac to be perfect.
Hola.
New day.
Good day. More cutting.
No birds yet. Hello. We haven't been filming the cutting of this piece of wood that much because it's been a couple hours and it's dark right now. It's just winter time. But we're almost there. You know, just like cutting a little bit more here, cutting a little bit more here, because with the curve of the roof it's a little difficult. I'm eating also my favorite popcorn, sweet and salty.
Whoa, hey, how's it going? Didn't see you there. Just made a. Oh my God, just made this thing. And then Connie said, actually, let's change it.
Let's do a design.
We're gonna do something a little different. So get ready.
We need some space here. 1, 2, 3 strips like those. Is it gonna work? Is it a good idea? I hope it is, because I think we're gonna cut it tomorrow.
We're gonna make some spacing through these so that we have
So we have a
more of an
view.
open concept.
Yeah, an open concept. And we're gonna make like a fence with the strips, and then we're just gonna put like a couple across that would give this more, ¿cómo se dice? Sturdiness? Stability, and be pretty solid.
Now we're gonna cut the fence that Connie wants to cut on this wall. Since we've already got it mapped out what the total width should look like, we're gonna rip some pieces and create some spacing, hopefully making them perfectly straight so that we can have a little bit more flow and vision towards the front of the van, and this place doesn't feel so cramped. We're gonna run this on the table saw and
Hope for the best.
hope for the best, but we've got all of our measurements.
Let me
Measured
see the
like a
measurements.
lot. Doing some math here. Got all of our cuts already. And we'll see how this goes.
Also, in other news, if you remember that I showed you the bird feeder earlier, we have a visitor. We have a visitor, and here are some photos. Now that the strips are cut, it's time to glue some wood veneer and stain. So far, the Bedlift project has been so fun, so stay tuned for the next video. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you in the next video.